those who are new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Like, why wouldn't you want to? Like, you guys love me. Like, come on now. So as promised, I told you guys when I moved into my apartment that I would be having a backdrop and my videos will be way better. So, you know, it's not perfect, but, you know, I'm getting there as I'm, like, you know, time progresses. Like, I'm learning more about YouTube and stuff like that. So, yeah, and I also will be doing hair videos as well for you guys. I installed this wig today, so that video will be coming soon. I used the Freeze Blast and the Got to Be Glued, so that video will be coming soon, so stay tuned. If you want to stay updated on my videos, make sure you hit the bell on the side. So yeah, but we're doing makeup today, so we're gonna get to it. So I'm back, guys. I still have my concealer and stuff on because I like to blend it at the end. So the first color I'm gonna start off with is going to be this orangey looking color. I'm blind as fuck, guys, even with my contacts in, so I will still be using my little elf mirror. And I also have a mirror ahead of me, so if you see me like looking up, it's because I'm looking at the mirror. I'm going to go in with this chocolate color. And I'm just kind of like lightly putting it in place. Nothing too major. You don't want to overdo it. Then I'm going to take my concealer. Then I'm going to take this antique green. I got this from MAC. I don't know how much it was. I got it like a long time ago, so yeah. This is what it looks like. It's really kind of pretty. I really kind of like it. I'm going to take that black and I'm just gonna kind of like line my crease up a little bit more than what it is. Then I'm going to take that brown that I had before, that dark chocolate brown, and blend in the black a little bit more. Blend the two colors. So I just make this nice, you know, this nice blend. Usually people say dab it in, but I like to rub that shit in, you know. I feel like it just blends a little better, you know. And it doesn't matter if you go too overboard over here, like that's gonna go away once you blend everything. That's the reason I like to blend at the end, because I know I get a little crazy and shit, so yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna take a little more concealer and put a little bit in the middle. Then I'm going to take that light brown color out of this palette. Honestly, this is a cheap ass palette. I got this for like $1 at King Dollar. And the shit is actually pigmented, so. Then I'm gonna go back with that antique green and just blend it a little more. Because that's what you want, like a nice transition. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild waterproof liquid eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So I literally spilled eyeshadow everywhere. I've officially learned my lesson with not putting a fucking towel down, cause bitch, I ain't paying for no carpet to clean. I really feel like eyelashes just really make a big difference within your makeup, honestly. So I think I might double them. So I'll be right back, guys. So I ended up just doubling my eyelashes. Now I'm gonna put my bottom eye mascara on. Take a setting spray and just we're also gonna put highlighter on. You can't forget that. Cause like you wanna look like you got kissed by the motherfucking sun, bitch.